It's one of the best rivalries in Central Section High School football. Clovis East versus Sanger, the battle for the Silver Spear, and for the Timberwolves, the battle to stay unbeaten. Take a look at the Silver Spear itself. It's on the Clovis East sideline since they won last year. Sanger just itching to take it back, but the Timberwolves get off to a great start. 25-yard touchdown pass from Ty Miller to Blake Matthew puts East on the board 7-0. This offense could put up points in a hurry, but so can the Apaches. Swing pass to Bryson Baker, and he had a lot of highlights tonight for Sanger. He rumbles in for a first down. Then on fourth down, the snap sails high. Clovis East flexing its muscles on defense, offense, and everything. They win 56-3. The Clovis student section bringing their blue and bringing their best. Frontier's quarterback Brady Campbell has a heck of an arm. Finds Songbig Ginyu at the pylon for 6. The boys from Bakersfield tie Clovis at a touchdown apiece. Deegan Rose time for the Cougars. First he fakes out the Titans and myself on a play action pass to Cyrus Mendez. Then later on the drive, he's looking, and finds his guy. It's Sterling Edwards with the catch. That sets up Caleb Farman for the field goal to take the lead. Clovis would win a barn burner, 57-27. Buchanan looking to go 3-0 and facing winless Edison. 21-0 Buchanan when our cameras got there. And why not call a fake punt if you're the Tigers? You're just looking for a spark, and they got more than that. They got more than a first down. They'll get a touchdown from Arturo Alejandres Jr. Buchanan's turn to respond now, and it'll be a quarterback keeper for Josh Madrigal. Doing a good job in his first season quarterbacking the Bears. He picks up 20 here, then hands off to Carvel Wafer. This sophomore is destined for big things. But for now, the touchdown will do. All Buchanan at the vet, 61-3. We talked about rivalries earlier. How about the Battle of Barstow? Bullard and Hoover have not played each other since 2015. We'll see here a touchdown pass from Hoover's quarterback to Pamir Oliver. Bullard's time to respond. Devin Laney will rumble. Rumble he goes. He's a big reason why they scored 70 points last week. And the offense stays hot. Here we go. Tyler Franklin to Davian Potts. Finds him on the right sideline. That'll be a touchdown for the Knights. Ties the game, and Bullard went on to win 70-13. Franklin had 6 passing touchdowns on the night.